You're watching Heron TV.
You're watching Heron TV. It's time for Heron TV. It's the best show in all of HV. You're watching Heron TV.
Good morning, Herons, and happy Wednesday. I'm Layla, and today is January 27th, 2021.
And I'm Natalie. Welcome to the 14th episode of the school year. Can you believe it's almost the end of the semester?
Time seems to both fly and move at a snail's pace in studio. I guess we need to start thinking about second semester.
I know, a new semester also means new elective classes.
Hi, Mrs. Fortuna. Hi, Miss Broadus. How are you doing today?
Happy Wednesday, you two. Can you believe it's almost the end of January? I just can't believe it.
Well, good morning to you both. Oh my gosh, look at those get-ups. You guys are both looking really good.
Well, today is meme week, so I figured this was a great representation of 2020. I love your outfit, Mrs. Fortuna. It's awesome.
Thanks, Mr. Mulligan. Check out my meme.
No! Stay back, Constance! I'm going to protect you with my lifesaver! Never forget a woman's place is in the resistance.
What are you wearing, Miss Broadus?
Goodness, there was just so many to choose from, so I decided I just want to enjoy yours and then see if I can spot some of our students in theirs.
That's awesome. I love it. These meme outfits are fantastic. But we do need to get serious for just a second to remind students about the end of the semester that's just 2 short weeks away.
That is right, Mr. Mulligan. You are all doing such amazing work this semester. We want to remind you to finish strong. Be sure to check your grades and work on anything that you have that's outstanding.
That's right, Miss Fortuna. Remember, everyone, your teachers are all here to help you, so be sure to email them or check out their office hours for any questions you might have or any help you might need.
Are you a Student View user? Not only can you use it to check your grades, but you can also use it to check your third quarter classes.
You probably already know how to check your grades, but you're going to go to Student View by going to the school website, clicking on Student View and I am a student, and then you're going to log in with your school account and password, just like your email address without the @NCLAC afterwards. Once you're logged in, you're able to see your schedule and you can check your grades. So it's very important to be able to know where you are as we're coming to the end of a semester, to know where you are with the grade-wise. But you can also see your classes that will be coming up. So right now, when I click on quarter 3, no classes are listed. But very shortly, you'll see what classes you have semester, and you'll be able to find out what classes you're going to have, as well as in your Google Classroom, you will auto-populate into those classes so you can see what you have next semester.
Well, next semester classes aren't posted yet. They'll be posted sometime soon. You'll see new classes appear on your Google Classroom homepage.
Layla, I think we need to slow down a little bit. We haven't even talked about Spirit Week.
Let's get to it. Take it away, Anna.
Hi Herons, my name is Adna, and today is the last Wednesday of our Spirit Weeks. We've celebrated Sports Team Pride Week, PJ Week, and it's now Meme Week. Let's look at some of the spirit that we've been showing over the last few weeks.
While we all celebrate Meme Week in a different way, there's one thing that we can all agree upon. Meme Week is the week to share your favorite memes. Let's turn things over to Elizabeth for this week's Ask a Heron.
My favorite meme is the Wouldn't You Like to Know Other Boy, because it's a classic.
I'm Enza. And I'm Serafina. And this is our favorite meme.
One of my favorite memes I like to do is put on a head on like the emojis on my face, because it's like funny, and I'll just like jump out of the bed, and that's it.
Hi, my name is Lexi. I'm in 6th grade, and my favorite meme is mocking SpongeBob.
This is my favorite meme because we all love it when there's no homework.
Hi, Herons. Well, speaking of memes, my favorite meme is myself.
Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth. The question for this week's Ask a Heron is, what is your favorite song or song artist? Make sure to click the link in the description to find the Flipgrid. Then you will get the chance of being in the next episode of Heron TV.
I can't wait for next week's Ask a Heron. I think the Herons are gonna go crazy with their responses.
You can find the link to the Flipgrid in the description, or your community and connection teacher can share it with you.
Now what I want to share with you is the quote of the week. Take it away, Nia.
Hey Herons, for this week's quote of the week, it's from the famous Nelson Mandela. It always seems impossible until it's done. And that is your quote of the week. Have a great day, Herons.
Nelson Mandela was an inspiring leader.
I heard he was known for having a great sense of humor. He could respond to any situation with remarkable wit.
Sounds like a fitting time to segue into the joke of the day.
Here's your joke of the day. Did you hear about the actor who fell through the floorboards? Oh no, what happened? Don't worry, he was just going through a stage.
Oh, I get it. Going through a stage. Thanks for sharing your joke, Bailey.
I think we're going through a stage of winter when it's bound to be cold and rainy. Maybe even snow.
Maybe. Let's check the 7-day forecast to find out.
Hi, and welcome to Mental Health Minute with Miss Lynn from Western Psych. With all these changes in the world, have you noticed changes in your thinking as well? Have you struggled with concentration or restlessness? Do you feel on edge? Do you feel overly tired or have major changes in your eating habits? Sometimes do you feel like your heart is racing, or do you have a hard time breathing? Well, these are totally normal responses to stressful situations, which we're in. There are healthy ways to work through them and lessen the intensity of certain reactions. Next week, we'll talk about various skills that you can do at home to help the moment you start feeling these different symptoms of stress. That's all for this week. If you feel like you or a friend are experiencing any of the things we talk about in Mental Health Minute, please reach out to a parent or guardian, teacher you trust, or a school counselor to help you connect with a therapist or counselor from Western Psych.
Last week, Dash introduced a new segment, Student Spotlight. We got tons of responses, but we chose to interview an 8th grader at HVMS and a great leader.
I can't wait to find out who we get to meet. Let's turn things over to Enza for the first edition of Student Spotlight to see who she interviewed.
Hi parents, my name is Enza and welcome to the first ever Student Spotlight. This week we're going to get to know a heron that is in 8th grade at HBMS, Addie Witkowski. Hi Addie.
Hi.
Okay, let's just get right into the first question. How are you involved in the clubs at HBMS?
Well, I've been in Unity Club for 3 years, and me and my best friend are co-presidents of the club now.
That's really cool. Wow. I don't think I've heard of that. Could you tell me a little bit more about it?
It is like our school's version of a gender and sexuality alliance or gay straight alliance. So it's LGBTQ kids and allies, and we just basically talk about any and everything. It's really fun.
That's cool. Yeah. And do you have any pets?
I do. I have 5. I have two family dogs. They're mini Australian Shepherds named Pepper and Rutabaga, and I have three of my own frogs. They're African dwarf frogs, and their names are Cucumber, Toad, and Ben.
Aw, I love Ben. That's a cute name. Okay. What's the hardest thing about like CDL?
Oh my god, a lot. I'm awful at technology, so it's just hard to like navigate the whole thing. I have checklists like all over my room now, just like things. I'd probably say not being able to ask questions as easily.
Yeah,
because I ask 20 questions a class.
I
And
know.
now I'm like having to write a bunch of emails or go into office hours all the time.
I know. It's really difficult. What do you miss about learning in person the most?
I miss walking to school every day. I would walk like an hour and a half to school every day. I miss just seeing people in the hallways. Like, I get feeling like, wow, I like your shirt.
Yeah.
It's just weird.
I do miss that human interaction.
Yeah.
Yeah, same. Okay. I heard that you recently learned how to ride a bike. Could you tell me more about that?
So my parents have always wanted me to learn how to ride a bike, but I never did. And I had a bike for like 4 years. It's brand new, and I just never rode it because I have no idea how. So this summer, my friends and I had a bet, and I ended up losing, and I had to ride a bike, or I had to learn how to ride a bike. And so my mom's in there, so I can't like interact with other people. So they social distanced, taught me how to learn a bike, taught me how to ride a bike. It was very complicated, but I eventually got it, and now I can barely do it, but I can.
That's really cool. Okay. Who is the person you admire most, and why do you admire them?
Oh, I'd probably say Ben Platt. He is he was on Broadway. He played Evan Hansen in Dear Evan Hansen, and he's my favorite musical artist. I named my frog after him.
That's funny. Yeah. Okay, what is something that Herons definitely need to know about you?
I'm a very social person. Like, if I overshare, it's because I like talking to people, but I can't read social cues. So just you have to like be very clear if you're being sarcastic or something.
Yeah.
Figuring it out.
I know, yeah. I'm a very social person too, so yeah, I think that's all of our questions. Thank you for letting me interview you.
Yeah.
It's really fun. Thank you for being on the first ever Student Spotlight. It was really great having you.
Thanks for having me. It was really fun.
Thanks, Enza. It's great to meet you, Addie. She seems like a pretty awesome kid.
Now, let's take a moment to learn something pretty random. Here's Madeline with this week's random fact of the episode.
Oh, I didn't see you there. It has been so hard for me to put down this Harry Potter book. Since I have your attention, I may as well tell you your random fact of the episode. Did you know that there are 1,084,170 words in the entire Harry Potter series? That's a lot of words to read. Well, I better get back to it. Oh, by the way, that was your random fact of the episode.
Wow, there's over 1 million words in the Harry Potter books? That's a lot of words.
Yeah, and it's almost the end of the episode. I think it's about time we wrap things up. I'm Natalie.
And I'm Layla.
Have a great day, Herons.
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 Have a great day, Herons.